Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Not a lot going on, I'll be honest with you. I've just been talking to someone in the car park. Very quiet site, not a lot going on. But I got some news, that's why I'm doing a video. I wasn't going to do one today because it wasn't worth it, but I've got information that people are going to find interesting. Okay, so before I start, James Green wants me to give his boys, his two liver birds, he said, a shout out. So Harvey and Jace, there's a shout out from your dad and a hello from me. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Right, let's get over there. So it's going to be a short one today. I just wanted to get over, have a look at a couple of things and tell you this info that I've got. Okay, so I'll get over to Cop and here, turn round. The city looks clear tonight, isn't it? Brilliant that. So it's better to describe it while I'm here. So lift wise, I've just been talking to someone who works for Ainsgo in the car park, and he said lift wise they're wanting to lift the roof today at 12 o'clock. So it's Sunday 12 o'clock, they're wanting to lift. So it's coming down in two pieces, definitely. So where you see the cut in the middle, that's where it's going to be split in half, and they're going to lift this half first. Okay, then they're going to lift it down onto the pitch, so it's definitely going on the pitch. And then they're going to cut it up. Then this yellow crane here, that's going to get disassembled and moved over this side and reassembled. That's going to take about 3 days. So to get this half the roof down, then they're going to start disassembling this crane. But while that's happening, they're going to start cutting the roof into pieces on the pitch and removing it. And moving the crane over this side. That's going to take 3 days to do all that. And then the same with this side. Now there's a corner section, he said. So let me just get over here. So there's a corner section and there's the crane he's on about. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Is that the crane he's on about? Don't know much about cranes, guys, you're going to have to help me out on this one. But there's a corner section that needs lifting out, and that's going to be lifted out by a crane in the car park here. I'm guessing it's going to be that. So that's going to be lifting the corner section out, but it's got to be lifted out from the car park. It can't be lifted out from inside the grounds. Okay, so it must be a small section getting lifted out by that. But news wise, that's the way it's going to happen. So I was a little bit angry. No, I wasn't angry, I just said he said it's coming down today at 12 o'clock. I went, you're messing. I said the only time I can't get here is 12 o'clock because I'm starting work at Goodson Park then, because I've got quite a big job on there. And he said, if I'm being honest with you, I don't think it's going to happen today. I think it's going to happen tomorrow, Monday. So I am hoping it all happens on Monday, because I just can't be here for that. I don't think Mr. Drone can, and I'm not sure on Paul Frost. So between us three, it probably will get covered by someone, but I don't know who. But with regards to us three, I think Paul is maybe the best chance of getting here, but he said he's got plans this weekend, but so I don't know. We can't be missing that first lift. So I was kind of pleading with him, can it be tomorrow? He said I think it will be tomorrow, but yeah, the reason why they want it down today, but he doesn't think it will, he said there's still loads of cutting and stuff to be done. So yeah, I don't know. Right, anyway, what else I want to look at was I saw it yesterday when I looked back and loads of people commented this has been cut out here. It's like people said it's been burned out. So what's that for? Does anyone know? Why have they done that to that section there? And if there's some over here as well. Yeah, it's been done there as well. Does anyone know why that's been done? Oh, yeah, I can see all the pieces there that they've taken out. Is it to get a better grip of this beam here? If anyone knows information, be good, guys, because I don't know. And that's one question I forgot to ask him. I was asking him all kinds of questions. I can't say too much because as I don't want to say who he is, but he's quite a big part of this job. But I don't want to get him into trouble. But thanks, mate, if you see this video, thank you for the info. Yeah, that's one question I should have asked him. Why is that being burnt out? Okay, you know what, it is, isn't it? Because, okay, I get it now. So this arse getting lifted out, yeah, so there's the halfway point there. That's the halfway point, isn't it? So they're gonna grip it there and grip it there, maybe, and lift it out. I don't know, that's just a theory of mine. But that'll make it lopsided, wouldn't it, and tip and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, help me out, I'm not sure. But apart from that, there's not a lot going on, and I really hope this doesn't get lifted out to 12 o'clock. I'll be devastated. If it does, as soon as I finish work at Goodson Park, I'll be up here, getting whatever footage I can of what's happened. Okay. Is there anything else to look at? Let me go this way. One thing everyone's been brilliant about this build is, you know, there's been no issue with the drone, because I told him exactly what he went, "Why, what are you doing?" I said, "I'm doing it on my drone and putting on YouTube." And he said, "Oh, sound, yeah, brilliant. I've been watching some of them." Not like, "Oh, you're not meant to do that." You know, there's just no problems at all. He didn't even say not mention anything, but I just don't want to mention anything just in case. Because he even said, he said it's a shame that they won't let you on site. He said because it'd be good publicity for them. I said which it would, but maybe I'll ask, I don't know. Ask through the week. They can only say no, can't they? Yeah, so guys, that's about it. It's a short one today, but there was information that I've been told which I reckon is 100%. I'm just hoping. The only false part is about it coming down at 12 o'clock, which he's doubtful about, because people on site are doubtful about it, because there's still a lot of cutting to be done. Okay, so I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe. Comments and likes are always appreciated. Apart from that, I'll speak to you all soon. Look after yourselves. Bye now.